think the team atmosphere is basically kind of what draws you and keeps you here.
I'd say the interactions and all the different guests of getting to know everybody and something different every single day.
I'm a big car fan, so I enjoy that, but also just I get to meet so many different kinds of people, and that's pretty cool, getting to know everybody.
What I like about working at Willis is that we have an option for everybody. So we have 9 new makes and we have all makes of pre-owns.
What I like most about Willis is how family-oriented we are.
It is very community-driven.
The people that we work with come to work and have a good time, and that bleeds into working with guests as well and can make that experience a little better.
They seem to actually care about both guests and employees.
It's kind of funny. I bought a vehicle elsewhere, and the gentleman that helped me out, he actually recommended me a sales job out here at Willis Automotive, and best decision I made.